now have the transmission back from Flamworks. They vapor honed the case, rebuilt and resealed the transmission, making sure that everything was to spec. Flamworks mainly builds custom bikes, but we pulled in a favor since we know that they can rebuild these. If you want to check out more of their builds, I've added a link to their site in the description below. Since we already have a transmission installation video from the first time we installed the transmission, I'll cut this short and show you some riding action instead. Now that we have everything finished, I'll do a quick rundown of the build. The top end was rebuilt using the Siebenrock 1000cc power kit. Heads rebuilt using Kibble-White valves, guides, springs, and retainers. The carbs are Delortos with our custom intakes. The front forks and brakes come from a 2011 GSX R600. For the rear suspension, we are using custom configured Olin shocks. Since we are not using the stock intake, we have replaced the top engine cover with an airbox delete cover. The headlight is our LED projector setup. This uses an LSL bucket, Moto projector LED, and a custom-made housing. The front turn signals are Moto Gadget blaze pins. For a key, we have the M lock with the receiver hidden in the seat cushion. The gauge is a Motoscope Pro attached using an R9T mounting bracket. Cognito Moto race triples were made using a 35mm offset to retain the correct geometry. The front fender was custom made by Meyer-Built Metalworks, and the front wheel is a Cognito Moto GSXR conversion hub using a 3.5 by 17 inch Excel rim. Hidden under the tank we have the EME electronic ignition module and the M unit used to wire the bike. Cognito Moto BMW rear set kit was used for our rear wheel disc conversion. The exhaust system is an Endurolast 38mm chromed header attached to quiet core mufflers by Cone Engineering. For the back wheel, we have the Cognito Moto airhead disc conversion hub using a 4.25 by 17 inch rim and a Brembo caliper. The original subframe was replaced with our integrated LED subframe kit, and the carved foam seat was upholstered by New Church Moto.